Hey Xiaomi users, today we are going to customize our lock screen using only stock layouts, no third-party themes. And in this video you will see some setups that can completely level up your lock screen experience. So make sure to watch it till the end. To customize our lock screen, first go to the lock screen. Then tap on Customize. Now select the wallpaper. Then tap on the clock widget and from the big clock layout, choose this format. After that, tap on fonts. For hours, select the teal shade right between the second last and third color. And for the minutes, select the blue shade just below the third color. Finally, enable the depth effect if it's not enabled and apply. So our first lock screen is ready. Now let's move to the second lock screen, which I named Yellow Black Cat. Again, follow the same process. Tap on Customize, Wallpaper, Clock Widget. And select the first format from the big clock layout. Now go to Fonts. For hours, keep it white. And for minutes, select this yellow shade at this position. Then enable depth effect if needed and apply. The third lock screen is Black Dog, and here also follow the same process. For the color, select this orange shade right here. Next is Orange Dog. Here for hours, select black shade at this position. And for minutes, choose the orange shade right here. Now for the next lock screen, tap on the clock widget and from the big clock layout, select this format. Then go to Fonts and keep the default clock color as it is. Next lock screen is Skateboarding. Tap on Clock widget and select the last format from the big clock layout. Then go to Fonts. For the primary color, keep it white. And for the secondary, select the orange shade just below this tone. Similarly, for teal orange girl, follow the same process. And for the black red girl, just follow the first lock screen customization process. Now for the next lock screen, select this format from the people layout. Then tap on Customize. And first select the wallpaper. Now go to the clock widget and type on the wall line by line. Then from the layout section, select this style. For the text size, keep it around mid or slightly below. Whereas for the character spacing, keep it 0. And for line spacing, set it to 20.0. Finally, go to Fonts and keep it wide. Last but not least, let's create a Doodle lock screen. Tap on Customize and select the wallpaper. Then go to the clock and choose this Doodle format. Both options are good, but here the first one looks better. Now go to Fonts and keep the Doodle style as it is. For the background, select the orange shade and move the pointer to this position, where you will get a nice chocolate brown kind of color. And finally, apply. So now your HyperOS 3 lock screen is customized in 10 plus different layouts, which truly levels up your daily lock screen experience. Now tell me which lock screen did you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked these lock screen customizations. If yes, do like the video and don't forget to subscribe to Mobile Funda for more amazing HyperOS customizations. See you in the next video. Till then, keep customizing.